Okay, so I'm gonna talk about swaddling now. Swaddling is your best friend when you have a newborn. It can be a game changer in helping them sleep and keeping them comfortable, because if you think about it, baby is used to being super squished and tight. That's what they're used to. So whenever they are just laying on their back and their arms are out and they're flailing around, they are just uncomfortable, and they have a normal reflex called the Moro reflex that their arms will go up and they get scared, and then they cry, and it just keeps them awake and uncomfortable. So if they are swaddled, it can help them feel comfortable and safe, and they can rest easier. So for swaddling, I like to use a good blanket. If you have one that is kind of stretchy and big, it can help you in your swaddling. And you can do them different ways, but I like to just fold the corner down like this. It makes it easier to know where their head goes. And then you are just gonna place them on this blanket here. And you will get better with this at times. So don't feel like you are not good at it. It just takes a little bit of practice, but anyone can do it. And with time, you're going to become a pro at swaddling. So I like to just fold baby's arms down like this. Most of them are little Houdinis and they try to get out very quickly. So if you keep their arms flat, it can help you. And then you're going to take one corner of the blanket and just wrap it snugly and tightly. I like to just kind of put it underneath their other side so it's really tight. And then you can use the bottom and kind of fold that part up so their feet are secure in there. One thing I did want to mention is you do want to make sure that it isn't as tight around their hips. So the top, the arms, we want that to be tight, but the hips we want to keep a little bit loose, because baby's hips develop both prenatally, but also when postnatally, when baby is outside of mom, they're still developing for the first year or so. So we want to make sure that we give those hips room to develop, especially when they're sleeping a lot and swaddled a lot. So you want to make sure those are loose. And then you can take the other side and you're just going to tightly wrap the top, keeping the bottom a little bit loose, and then tuck that behind too. And then your baby is swaddled.